Every night at precisely 3:07 a.m., the rhythmic clacking of the old typewriter echoes through the attic, a sound that once comforted me with memories of my grandmother's tales. But now, it chills me to the bone. I discovered the machine a month ago, covered in dust, and decided to keep it as a nostalgic piece. But the first morning I found a page, a story that eerily mirrored an event from my childhood I never shared with anyone. I dismissed it as a bizarre coincidence. As nights passed, the stories grew disturbingly personal, unraveling secrets I barely whispered to myself. The climax was last night. The typewriter, with its keys moving as if possessed, typed a vivid depiction of my own death, describing every detail with terrifying accuracy. The final chilling words appeared as if mocking me. Tonight, it begins. Now, as the clock strikes 3:06 a.m., I sit frozen, watching its ink ribbon twitch to life, knowing this chapter